Starting around 08 November 2023, Velo basically is exchanging at $0.003 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.21% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, which certainly is very critical. Velo really has an especially complete market cap of $20,329,676, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,471,253, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. This most certainly makes Velo certainly positioning at 623 in the cryptographic money market, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. On the off chance that you basically are a crypto financial backer, and considering what most certainly is the Velo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Velo by and large be in every practical sense worth in 2023 in a really significant way? Is Velo, in all things considered, wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023 in a genuinely huge manner? Will Velo cost outperform its record-breaking extremely high in an essentially significant manner? These really are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. Velo value expectation 2023. As per the Velo estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Velo cost especially is supposed to in every way that really matters cross a sort of normal value level of $0.003, the normal fundamentally least value worth of Velo, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to be $0.003, which basically is genuinely huge. Besides, Velo can by and large arrive at an especially most extreme value level of $0.003 in an unpretentious manner. Velo value figure August 2023, the truly normal cost of Velo could in a real sense go to $0.003 toward the finish of August 2023, which really is genuinely critical. Velo could sort of exchange around a sort of most extreme worth of $0.003, with the especially least expected cost of $0.002 in a quite huge manner. Velo value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Velo basically is estimated to, in every practical sense, be at around a for the most part least worth of $0.003 in an unobtrusive manner. The Velo value worth can in a real sense arrive at a by and large limit of $0.003, with the really normal exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Velo value gauge October 2023, the kind of normal cost of Velo could sort of go to $0.003 toward the finish of October 2023. Velo could especially be exchanging around a genuinely greatest worth of $0.003, with the especially least expected cost of $0.003, or so they explicitly thought. Velo value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the for the most part greatest cost for Velo could in every practical sense stretch around $0.003, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Besides, the minimum cost of Velo in November 2023 in every practical sense is $0.003 with a sort of typical cost of $0.003, or so they most certainly thought. Velo value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the really greatest cost for Velo could especially stretch around $0.003 in a genuinely enormous manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Velo in December 2023 especially is $0.003, with a kind of typical cost of $0.003, which generally is genuinely huge. Velo passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Velo S cost explicitly has shown an excellent increment of 2.48% in the kind of most recent 24 hours in a very significant manner. From fundamentally most recent 7 days, the Velo basically was in certainly great vertical pattern and expanded by 1.38%, showing how might Velo value sort of outperform its untouched high, or so they by and large thought. Velo truly has shown areas of strength for essentially potential of late, and this could be especially great chance to for the most part dive right in and contribute, showing the way that Velo could in a real sense exchange around a greatest worth of $0.003, with the sort of least expected cost of $0.003 in a genuinely significant manner. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Velo explicitly diminished by 57.039%, taking out an incredible normal amount of $0.004 from its truly current worth in a kind of significant manner. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a generally excellent really purchase a potential open door for exceptionally speedy speculation. The 90 days cost change for the most part is near 3.38%, and the cost essentially coursed from a very least lovely typical cost of $0.003 to truly greatest extremely normal cost of $0.003 in the exact beyond 90 days in a huge manner. In absolute most recent 4 months Velo truly has shown a developing pattern, exhibiting how in most recent 4 months Velo by and large has shown a developing pattern, or so they basically thought. Consequently, we for the most part believe that comparable pieces of the market by and large were very famous at that period, so these explicitly are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future, which for the most part is genuinely huge. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Velo in every way that really matters is expanded from 4 months, or so they by and large thought. The exchanging volume is an essential job in its cost, exhibiting the way in which this unexpected down by and large implies that the coin especially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can fundamentally be a decent for the most part purchase a valuable open door for pretty speedy interest in an unpretentious manner. The coin in every way that really matters is up by 22.46% with the truly most extreme especially normal cost of the coin explicitly was around $0.002 and the sort of least typical cost of was around $0.002 and lovely beyond 4 months. Demonstrating the way that Velo could sort of exchange around a sort of greatest worth of $0.003 with the base expected cost of $0.003 in an exceptionally significant manner. Velo value figure 2023 facts. What will basically be Velo worth in 2023? The Velo value sort of is determined to explicitly arrive at a really greatest degree of $0.003 with genuinely least cost of $0.003 toward the finish of 2023, which certainly is genuinely critical. Does Velo generally have a future, which for the most part is very critical? As far as value, Velo certainly has an exceptional sort of potential to generally arrive at new levels, which sort of shows that moreover, the minimum cost of Velo in December 2023 in every practical sense is $0.003 with a genuinely normal cost of $0.003 in a fundamentally enormous manner. It basically is gauged that Velo will increment in esteem, which most certainly is very critical. As per truly unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Velo can basically raise a ruckus around town of the greatest cost of $0.0000022 till 2030, exhibiting how Velo value expectation 2023. As per the Velo estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Velo cost most